How do you deal with customers that don't
Here's
pay?
how to deal with that one customer that doesn't pay. Lock your door, threaten to ruin her henna.
But what if her henna's already dry and she still doesn't want to pay?
If she still doesn't want to pay, put her in a headlock and start drawing henna on her face.
What if I'm not strong enough to put her in a headlock?
If she's too strong and you can't keep her in a headlock, grab her by the hair and threaten to make her bald.
She might be already bald.
But if she's already bald, take the henna cone and start scribbling on her bald head.
I like that idea.
These are just some of the things you can do to that one person who doesn't pay.
But what if I fail doing all those things? What then, huh?
Let her know that your father is Jet Li and you don't want to have to get
What
physical.
if they do get physical?
If things start to get ugly, take your henna cone and start drawing her a mustache and a
I
unibrow.
might need to start practicing Kung Fu.
Don't forget to smudge her henna before she leaves. That will teach her so she doesn't do it to the next artist.
Sounds like a good idea.
These are just some of the things you can do, but I'll be back with more. Gotta keep those henna freeloaders in check.
Thanks for the advice.
Do you know I have a TikTok shop with so many abayas and dresses at ridiculously cheap prices? It's so good, it'll make your hairline stand up in excitement. And don't worry, our prices won't leave you bald.